This is what an open 6 billion model makes. Photoreal, any style, even clean text. The same image, a 3060 and a 5090. Z image turbo. Free. Let's install it. Alright, let's get straight to the point and install everything for Z image turbo. Open your browser and go to our GitHub. Click the Setup Windows folder and look for install zimage.bat. Click it and download it. Go to the folder where you downloaded it. Right-click the file, go to Properties, and at the bottom, check the unblock option. Click OK. Without this, Windows silently blocks the script. Once that's done, double-click to run it. If the blue smart screen warning shows up, click More Info, then Run anyway. If Windows asks for administrator permission, just click Yes. And there it is. The console opens and the installation begins. One important detail. This install is incremental. It builds on the base ComfyUI, the one from our first video. If you don't have the base, run the base installer first. And if you skip it, the script itself notices, warns you, and stops. This download is much lighter than last time, around 25 gigabytes, with both precisions, the encoder, and the VAE. The recommended minimum is at least 32 gigabytes of RAM and 8 gigabytes of VRAM. When it's done, we open ComfyUI. The workflows already show up in the sidebar, under Comfy Workflow Image, Z Image, one for each precision, FP8 and BF16. Just click to open one, or drag it onto the canvas. The first time, it takes a little longer, because it's loading the model and the encoder into memory. From the second generation on, it gets much faster. The difference between the two is simple, and it's the whole point of this video. The image is the same. FP8 is half the size and fits a modest card with no offload. That's my default pick. BF16 is the reference precision and uses a bit of offload on smaller cards. Same image. FP8 is just lighter. And here's the best part. It all runs on the 3 cards I test, including the RTX 3060 with 12 gigabytes, where FP8 runs basically native. You don't need a top-of-the-line card. And on top of that, it writes clean text in English and in Chinese in just 8 steps. And that's it for the install. With everything ready, let's get to the part that really matters. The benchmark. The same image across the 3 cards, an FP8 against BF16. The same image on an RTX 3060 and an RTX 5090. Only the time changes. This is Z image turbo, 6 billion parameters, Apache 2.0. Let me prove it. First, what it makes. Photoreal, architecture, illustration, and legible text. All at native resolution in just 8 steps. Now the main point. Same prompt, same seed, 3 different cards. The image is the same, I measured the difference, and it's practically 0. The 3060 gives you the same pixels as the 5090, only the time changes. Here are the timings, warm seconds, averaged over 10 runs. The 5090 finishes in under 3 seconds. The 4090 is just behind. The 3060 takes about 20, slower, but it gets there. And notice, FP8 and BF16 basically tie. BF16 versus FP8, same image, but FP8 is half the size. 12 gigs becomes 6, and it fits a 12 gig card with room to spare. It's not faster, it's lighter. So ship FP8. And it writes clean, legible text in English and in Chinese in just 8 steps. That's a genuine Z image strength. Z image turbo, 6 billion parameters, Apache 2.0, and the same image on every card. We went from 17 billion down to 6, lighter, and identical across the board. Next up, FLUX.2 Klein. Subscribe so you don't miss it.